Hi, it's Pam. I received something in the mail yesterday from Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I've been so excited about this. I couldn't wait to share it with you. So let's open this package together. Oh, it is so exciting for me. This is the Garden Friends Honeycomb Quilt Pattern for 10-inch squares. A complete instruction book on how to do the embroidery, applique if that's what you want to do, how many blocks you'll need, everything you need to make the Garden Friends honeycomb quilt. It comes with two layouts and two different color variations. Real excited about this. Wait till you see this. Look at this beautiful box. Garden Friends Embroidery Kit by Missouri Star Quilt Company. Oh, and on the bottom, it even has what's included in the 10. This is really nice keepsake 10 as well. So when I open her up, oh goodness, there's an embroidery hoop. Well, the Garden Friends Peel and Stitch Wash Away Sheets. I love using these with my hand embroidery projects. You'll love them too. The Garden Friends Embroidery Notions. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I see a needle minder. I'm so excited for this. Look how adorable and thoughtfully laid out this is. There's a pair of embroidery scissors. How cool is that? A needle threader, two different sizes of embroidery needles, and an adorable needle minder. This is just so thoughtfully, it's just so exquisitely put together. I just love it. Then we have the Garden Friends instruction cards. This, it's just thorough and detailed. You have how to use your kit, how to get started, and then it moves on with telling you the different colors of the floss that you have, how to make the different stitches, straight stitch, back stitch, chain stitch. It goes on and on. Wait till you see the designs. This is one of the Garden Friend floral designs, number 4. Garden Friend number 5, 6. Look at this adorable butterfly. Number 12, 17, some strawberries. What garden wouldn't be complete without strawberries? Oh, I just love this. And let me tell you a little bit why here in just a second and show you the different spools of embroidery floss that are also included. I can't wait to use this pearl cotton embroidery thread or floss. Look at all the vibrant colors, every color that you will need to complete all these embroidery projects that are included in the Garden Friends kit and the lovely 10. So pull up a chair and let me tell you why I'm so excited about this. Well, when I was a little girl, I was fortunate enough to have just the best mom in the whole world. I know everybody thinks their mom is the best, but I truly believe mine was. She overcame so many obstacles in her life and was super optimistic. The glass was never half empty with her, and there was always an adventure around the corner, in spite of the fact that she was confined to a wheelchair her whole life. So when I was a little girl, my mother taught me how to embroider. I can remember her taking an old bed sheet and ripping it up into squares. They were probably 6 or 8 inches in size, and she just ripped all these squares out of this old, kind of worn bed sheet. But my mom was good at repurposing things and making something beautiful out of nothing. So we took these squares, and then she had some iron on transfer designs that we transferred onto the squares of fabric, and then we embroidered those designs on those pieces of fabric. Well, we continued that for quite a while, working on it off and on for probably a couple of years, hand embroidering all these squares just whenever we had time or had a whimsy that we wanted to hand embroider. Fast forward to when I was just 18 years old and my mother passed away unexpectedly. I found these hand embroidered blocks that we had started so many years ago. And when I was expecting my first child, I took those hand embroidered blocks and pieced them together into some squares with some Raggedy Ann and Andy fabric, because there's a story behind Raggedy Ann and Andy with my mother as well. But I found this printed Raggedy Ann and Andy fabric, and I pieced together these hand embroidered squares that not only I had hand embroidered, but my mother had as well. And I made a beautiful baby quilt out of those squares. My daughter loved that quilt. She carried it around with her until it was literally rags itself. So this is reminiscent to me of one of the very first projects I ever worked on with my mom. And I'm so happy to recreate that in this really fun Garden Friends honeycomb project. So stay tuned as I go on my journey to recreate this quilt that brings back such fond memories for me of time spent with my mom hand embroidering to make something special for my daughter. So I will leave you links to the Garden Friends Embroidery Kit by Missouri Star Quilt Company. They have other quilt kits available. You can buy the fabric from them as well. In fact, that's I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do the indigo blue colorway instead of the golden, but we'll see. We'll see. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below and I'll answer them when I can. If you found this video tutorial helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then come over to the Birch Cottage blog and subscribe to my newsletter so you'll be notified via email when new creative ideas are made available on my blog as well. Thank you so much for watching.